बात नहीं करने दे रहे, ये लोग सबको उठा के जेल में डाल रहे हैं। हमारी यस, इसलिए बिकॉज आई डू नोबल वर्क ऑफ फीडिंग एनिमल्स।
However, what we are learning from the top MCD sources is that Delhi only has 20 dog shelters running, and where sterilization of dogs is taking place, and they seem to be unsure as to how many dogs that they can actually accommodate in those shelters and the sterilization centers as well, because if getting the dogs neutered is a solution, then where exactly would they be placed seems to be another problem.
There's not a single shelter in Delhi run by government. So there are 3 lakh dogs. You're going to put 3 lakh dogs into how many shelters? You don't even have one. So to make those shelters, you have to spend at least 15,000 crores because you have to find 3,000 places. Those places cannot be in colonies, so you have to find them where nobody lives. Where will you find 3,000, 300, 30 places?
The top court that directed all stray dogs to be removed from public streets across Delhi NCR and to be moved to designated shelters, and this must be done within 8 weeks itself. So the court further ruled that no stray dog should be released back on the streets once it is housed in a shelter, and the Supreme Court directed that stray dogs be kept at shelters and not released in the open. Now it instructed the Delhi government, the MCD and the NDMC to start picking up stray dogs from all localities, and 2 months' time that has now been given by the Supreme Court, making its position absolutely clear and saying that the society must be free from the stray dog menace, and young children and the elderly must not fall prey to rabies at any cost, a disease which has no cure.